Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you all are well. So, after a very long time, I am back on my channel with some interesting facts about art and a beautiful drawing. So, first of all, sorry for this late video. I don't upload any video in my channel uh, because I am very busy in my day-to-day life. And also I enjoy my summer vacations with my family, but now I am come back, so you enjoy the video. Today's we draw a beautiful sketch of an owl, and without any further delay we also start the fact session. So come on, let's get started. Did you know about the color wheel predates the United States? Considering the US is one of the oldest democracies, this is pretty amazing. Sir Isaac Newton invented the color wheel in 1706 by refracting white sunlight into its six color. The realization that light alone was responsible for color was radical, and the wheel proved especially useful for artists who could now easily observe the most effective color complementation. Okay, now we moved on the second fact. Okay, so the next fact is artist Willard Vegan once inhaled his own work. Huh? What's that you say? He inhaled a painting. The man must be enormous. Not quite. Vegans' work are micro sculptures, so teeny they must be viewed through a microscope. In creating his art, Vegan has to slow his heartbeats and work between pulses. It's amazing. The work he inhaled was Alice from Alice in Wonderland, but apparently she was even better when remade. Okay, so now we moving on the third fact. Did you know in 2003 street artist Banksy stuck his own work to the wall in the State Modern Museum? The prank was soon undone by its inadequate glue, but for a few hours Crime Watch UK has ruined the countryside for all of us. Was hung in one of the world's most famous museums. It also inspired Andres Sobiepen, a police art student, to a similar feat in 2005, where for 3 days he successfully passed off his work, a part of the National Museum's collection. Okay, so I hope you all are ready for the fourth fact, which is, did you know there are four versions of the Scream? Edward Munch painted four different versions of the famous painting The Scream. The first version was painted in 1893 and was exhibited in Oslo. In the same year, a pastel version was also made. The third version was said to be privately owned, and the last version was given to the Munch Museum. Now, our fifth fact is the Starry Night was painted in Sychward. For the first of our art fact, we talk about one of the most famous art piece in history. Vincent van Gogh painted the piece during his stay at the Saint Paul de Mausole Psychiatric Hospital in Saint Remy. The painting depicts the town he showed through his room window along with additional vision. Okay, now we moving on today's last fact, which is, did you know Kim Dong-yu created a painting of Albert Einstein using portrait of Marilyn Monroe? The work of this artist are known for creating images of famous icons out of the smaller images of other famous individuals. All of his work are rendered by hand. How's that for inspiring art fact? Okay, so today's fact session is over and our owl drawing is also completed. A big thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share the video, like the video. Thank you. See you in the next video with a beautiful drawing and some weird fact about art. Bye.